Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to the beautiful Lightsview estate. Gorgeous parks, beautiful open light-filled terraces. It's a great spot to be, and I'm going to show you 87 Harper Circuit in this gorgeous estate. It's 3-story, 2-bedroom, open plan living, undercover garage. It's a gorgeous setup. Want to go through and have a look. So there you have it. What an absolutely gorgeous floor plan. I love how much light floods into this home. It's beautiful and the views across to the park are absolutely gorgeous. The bedrooms are a great size. Obviously you've got reverse cycle ducted air conditioning right throughout, and you've got a huge garage with the laundry combined, which gives you great storage for your car or extra personal items. I love this location, not too far from the city, and I know it's going to suit so many first home buyers and investors at a price that you don't normally see this distance from the city. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.